Hi, this is Anita. I'm here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and today we're going to show you how to make the Vietnamese beef green mango salad recipe. You can get the full recipe by checking our blog at Bus on a Dusty Road, or check out the link below on our YouTube description. First thing we're going to do is you need to marinate the meat. We're going to put the meat in to the bowl here. There's lots of cuts here of thin. She had the steak cut thin just because it cooks easier. And then she's putting in the lemongrass, the garlic, the small scallions, salt and pepper. And then some sesame oil. Let's give about 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of the sesame oil. And she's going to mix it up and let the beef marinate. And that's the first step you do. It needs to marinate for about 1 hour. Now, we're in Vietnam, and some of the fresh mangoes we get are really quite big. So you may not find mangoes this big. This is actually a green mango. If you can't really find a green mango, you could try using a yellow mango. But the green mango is not as sweet as yellow mango and is used a lot in Asian food and cooking, especially Thai and Vietnamese. So first we're just preparing the vegetables, peeling the carrots, peeling the cucumbers, because they like to peel the cucumbers here in all their salads. The choice would kind of be up to you whether you wanted to do that or not. So the first thing you need to do is, while you're waiting for the meat to marinate, is to prepare all the vegetables that you're going to need for your salad. This is how they cut the green mangoes. Kind of looks like long spaghetti noodles, but that's kind of how they cut them, and they'll put them into the salad. So you can see we're doing the carrots the same, the cucumbers the same. We're kind of slicing everything sort of in these round slices, almost like this here, like we did with the mango. So here's the carrots and the cucumbers cut up. So you can see how they're sort of sliced into these long slices. In case you're wondering what she was using, she's using one of these here, if you can find one. And she was using that part right there. That's what makes it into these sort of long, almost noodle-like pieces. Cut up the onion like this. Again, we like to use a red onion. Just make sure the onions are sort of like these sort of pieces, not lumps. It's all going to go into the salad there, putting everything together here with the onions. I'm just going to mix it all up. Next, we have some other vegetables we're going to cut up to put in. Some lettuce, and put into small pieces. Lettuce there, mix it all up together. have some bean sprouts here. You just put them in as they are. The Vietnamese celery. You see it's very thin. If you're using regular celery like you get in the States, you might want to make sure it's really thin. See how great it looks with all the vegetables there.
Rau thơm.
So we're cutting up some of the Vietnamese basil they have, and then we'll cut up some mince and put it in. They like to use mint for everything almost. That's actually going into a separate bowl there. Mint is one of the staples of the Vietnamese diet. And actually too, probably in some ways the Thai diet. They love mint or the mint flavor. So here we go. Here's our 2 bowls of vegetables there. We're gonna make the dressing here, where we have about a half a cup of garlic we're putting in. This is gonna go into a blender. This is the lemongrass. Lemongrass, so it's about a half a cup of lemongrass. It's quite a bit there. It's cut up. This is the chili peppers, and depends on how hot and spicy you want it. You can decide. We don't like it super spicy, so I think we have about 3 small ones. And then next comes the fish sauce.
Nước mắm.
Put about a 1/4 a cup there.
Đường.
And then next we're gonna put in some sugar. So she's got about a half a cup sugar there that she's sticking in. So it's a little bit over half a cup and probably a couple tablespoons.
Đường. Chanh.
And then we have some it's about a 1/4 cup of limes.
2 muỗng.
And we're gonna let it sit then. I'm putting a little bit more lime juice here. So it's about half a cup of lime juice actually. So now we've mixed this up really well in the blender, and you can see exactly there how it looks, and that's kind of the dressing for the salad there. So you can see that it's really well blended and mixed up, and it's liquid. See here, this is how our dressing's looking and the cut up vegetables. So now we're gonna do the meat. We're barbecuing the meat just because we really like barbecue meat, but you can fry it or cook it in any way you want to. But we barbecue it because we find it easy. We're outside here now. We're going to mix up. So she put some beef in with some of the vegetables. Put some of the salad dressing on it there. Well, that's kind of how you mix it. So out here now, she's just mixing it all up there, all together, making sure it's mixed really well with the salad dressing. You can cut this recipe in half if you just want to have half. It's like I said, we're having people over, so we're having quite a bit here. You can see it's quite a big bowl of it. Now we're going to put it on a nice big plate here.
rồi đĩa bẩn.
some dried onions here on the top. And some peanuts. So we always love peanuts in our food. And then this was the basil and the mint. Goes on the very top. And there you have it. The Thai beef mango salad. Thank you so much for watching how we make a Thai beef mango salad here in Vietnam. Check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road, for more interesting recipes and ideas, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to be able to hear from you and have you be part of our community. Thank you.